1-minute pro mapping stencils provided a thrilling experience. We're eager to share this excitement with technicians across the industry. For this ideal candidate, we opted for Style 3. Outstanding powder achieves visible hair strokes. Peel open and discover the trendy, arch-shaped brow. A lining stencil, brushing on powder. Another straight style option too. Refined shape smaller for her unique facial features. A lining stencil, brushing powder. Peel open to reveal distinct and clear strokes. The arch shape is the preferred choice for another candidate. Modify the stencil shape to cater to client's desire. The full brow shape of Style 1 is well suited for women, as well as men. Keep brushing. Extend the head and tail to perfect the shape. Mark the center and from the lash line, 4 centimeters high on both sides for stencil application guideline. Align the stencil on markings. Powder Breezy Style 4. Unveil a breezy shape as you peel open. The full shape cutout stencil greatly simplifies freehand drawing and shading techniques. Fill-in shape cutout. Apply hair stroke stencil. Brush powder into stroke cutouts. The stencil's pattern makes it significantly simpler to follow along the primary strokes. Enhance your work by incorporating additional strokes between the primary lines. Stencils offer impressive outcomes, time saved, and only mastering tracing. With 160 stencils in total, cater to numerous clients with 4 styles for diverse preferences. Set up supply and workstations. Pre-numb for stencil preparation. Wait 15 minutes. Clean area with alcohol pad and dry. Lightly coat with Vaseline to safeguard hair from adhesive stencil pulls. Brow mapping kit includes 160 disposable stencils, 4 styles, rulers, brow powder and pencil, all in a trendy pouch at just 0.94 cents per stencil. Thank you for watching.